can go through IDEO method cards. So these method cards actually give you a perspective that any scene that you see in your daily life, how many observations can you make out of it? मतलब how many observations? Let me give you an example. If I see a rose plant, there is a rose plant or an apple, rose plant example. So normally हम देखेंगे तो यार एक रोज है, अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है, ठीक है. So this is actually the normal observation what I make. Yeah, how much cute is the rose? So if I want to do an observation on that same rose plant, what I do is that okay, the rose plant is almost 10 centimeters from me, and the sun is falling on the left side of it, opposite to the rose, and the rose is some of the petals of the rose are faded, and there are almost 10 to 15 leaves of the plant, and the mud is very see, the mud is actually irregular, and it is in a pot of a pink color, made up of pink honey or any ceramic, and uh, and the water the soil is wet, and it is smelling like something, uh, so this is the observations. There are so many observations that I can make just a rose plant outside my house. Okay, so observations actually can be visual, means the things that you see visual. It can be through the voices, the voice that you can hear. It can be through the smell that you actually smell it. So all these things can be put off as observations. So, but the activity what I gave, the trailer that you have to see of the Marvel, you can only get the visual input, not the direct input. So, what all observations can you make? The technology, what did they use? What anything that you can get. So these are the IDEO method cards. So these method cards actually give you an idea. So once go through them, but I am not actually going to explain all the method cards. Those are very extensive. But once you go through them and you have any queries, you can actually put it on the WhatsApp group. So I will be answering them. But these method cards will change your normal will actually magnify and enhance your observation thinking, grasping the observations from any situation or any scene. So I think I shared with Swaraj. We shared the same in the group, isn't it? Okay, so am I clear in this slide? Can I go forward?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So once you write the observations, any observation, so there are that is actually written in very irregular way. So you have to in a hospital setup. Since we are actually talking about biodesign and I'm from medical background, so it applies to everything. It applies to any design. If you want to design a power bank, also it applies to that. There are only two types of actors in the real world. We actually divide the things. During your observations, there are so many things. Like in a room, if you want to observe, there are some plastic boxes, water bottles, circuit boards, mobile chargers, cables, gadgets, bed, power plugs, decoration, photo gallery, everything. So uh, for classifying it and systematically writing it down, so you need to have a classification. मतलब हम लोग को कैसे segregate करना है, ठीक है? You can segregate on your own, like grocery items. You can make into your own buckets, like okay, these are the grocery things, these are the electronic gadgets, this is the household things, and these are the decorative things. So you can actually categorize according to you the things that you observe. But normally when you actually do an innovation, the any product, I will just give you a Bluetooth speaker example. So the last user, he is actually a human. मतलब ह्यूमन ही है ना. हम लोग जो भी बनाएंगे, जो भी चीज़ बनाएंगे, either you make an application or any gadget, anything, at last the end user is actually a human, आदमी है, ठीक है. तो the classification of human actors and non-human actors is very much apt in your innovation journey. Like, so the person who actually uses it is the human actor, and other than that, any other person, any other thing that you see, so it is a non-human actor. So if you classify this, if you classify all the things in your observation, okay, so then you can actually systemize it very properly, and you will come to know the humans, how they are interacting with the non-human actors. Okay. I think you get it, and elaboratively it is written in my that bio medtech sketchbook, so you can go through it. So I just mentioned here, become a movie story writer. Uh, because I am telling you, I put up this word become a movie story writer because see the rose plant. If I put it there, if three persons are there, example Ashish is there, Swaraj is there, Priyanshu is there, Akshita is there, four persons. So if I let them come to my room and see the rose plant and write the observations of the same room, their four stories will be different because everybody has their own emotional aspect. So they will be focusing on something. Like if Akshita comes here, she is very much, means very much particular about the cleanliness. So she will write more about the torn newspaper, the stains on the wall, and the irregularly very clumsy kept clothes, everything. So if Ashish comes into my room, he is very much fascinated about the electronic gadgets. So he describes about my iPad, iPhone, speakers, wires, charging cables, OnePlus, everything. So again, if some of the Swaraj comes, he is very much interested about the art gallery. So he describes about the sceneries and the photographs that are present in my room. So everybody's story is different. Uh, that's why I'm telling you, become a movie story writer because in a movie, when you write a story, you can't take on any aspect. You have to be particular about every aspect. You can't be biased to one aspect because in a movie you have to show the background and the actors, both of the things. You can't ignore the background, keep any background you want, and let the actors dialogue. मतलब जैसे अभी actually कोई example like क्या बोलूँ, कोई मूवी है, ठीक है, उसमें बैकग्राउंड बहुत मैटर करता है, मतलब इफ ए सॉन्ग इज देयर, ठीक है, बैकग्राउंड का भी आपको स्टोरी लिखना होगा। बैकग्राउंड ऐसा है, हिमाचल प्रदेश में हीरो हीरोइन जा रहे हैं, उसमें वो लोग पैदल जा रहे हैं, देन सम एक्सीडेंट हैपेंड, समथिंग हैपेंड, तो दे फेल डाउन, आफ्टरवर्ड्स समबडी रेस्क्यूड देम, ठीक है, सो दैट इज लाइक ए वैली। So they are describing every aspect of the scene. They are not describing only the conversation that is going in between the hero and heroine. So you should be a movie story writer. It is your movie, so you should be very conscious how you will present your story. I think hope you got my message from this slide. So think yourself as a movie director or a story writer. So be particular about everything that you are writing and classify them into human actors and non-human actors. And other than this, there is another categorization that I will let you know as we go forward. Okay. So next slide. Is that fine? I'm going forward. Yeah. So empathy is the key. See, the story that I told you before about the four persons coming into my room, Swaraj and everybody. So there, everybody's empathy, emotional aspect is linked to something. So you, whenever you are actually writing an observation in a clinic or in your real time or anywhere, there is something in the observation where you are actually, it happens very magically that you get attached to it emotionally. So it is very much essential when you go, you should fall in love or you should feel bad, you should feel sad, everything. Your personal opinion is very much necessary because until you don't empathize the situation, the problem, so you will not be motivated to innovate. That is going to take. You are not going to innovate or make a product or a solution for it, which is going to take almost 5 to 6 years of the journey. So until you're not strongly motivated, until you're not empathized, so you can't take the decision of going forward to innovate. So empathy is the key. So until you are not convinced that okay, I should solve this problem because this is the thing that I have to do and this is the thing that I have to do in my life, uh, that will make a change. Okay, then go for it. Okay, don't think that okay, so this is not a problem. This can be solved. Don't think, because technology is dynamic and the solutions are going to get updated day to day. So always empathize the situation in some part. So you will definitely get a point where you will get motivated about some problem, and then you can go forward. So I'm going to the next slide. Okay. Yeah. So the next thing is how to formalize the need statement, the problem statement, anything you may say. Need statement actually, when you write an observations, the objective observations, after the story you're going to get some loopholes. Example I told Swaraj. Swaraj is actually particular about the art, matlab the art gallery, the sceneries in my room. So he saw a problem over there. So he will put up the problem. But for putting a problem, there needs to be a systematic way. Uh, so this is the format to describe the problem actually. So a way to problem plus population plus outcome. It may look confused, but I will actually make it easy for you by giving an example. Matlab, my own experience. When I was doing my pediatrics posting during my college days, so there is a small small boy, almost 8 years old. So he came with bleeding from mouth. So actually, he's bleeding out blood from mouth, and his body is very flabby, like he's very weak, and there are patches all over the body, blue patches. And his eye is reddish, both eyes. So after going through the file, we came to know he is suffering from aplastic anemia. Aplastic anemia means his bone marrow. I think you know about the bone marrow since you are biotech guys. So basic anatomy is described. So the bone marrow actually makes the blood cells in our body. So in aplastic anemia, what happens is that the bone marrow cannot make blood cells, mainly the red blood cells, not all the blood cells. So it can't make platelets, it can't make WBC, it can't make RBC. So it can't make platelets. So actually, the platelets are the one that is going to stop the bleeding. So actually, he's bleeding, and RBC are out. So he's going to anemia. The RBC is low. So the gold standard for treatment for the boy is bone marrow replacement. But where you gonna find the bone marrow replacement? There are so many, very less organ transplant donors, and matching of organ transplant takes very much time, and he is going to very serious situation. I myself gave my 1 unit or 2 units of blood. My blood group is O negative. So I gave him 2 to 3 units because in return they gave me units. So he's fine for 4 to 5, almost 3 to 4 days. So 1 week after, I am actually I happened to come across his dad near the blood bank. So he is actually crying a lot. He told, "Thank you very much for your help. आप लोग बहुत हेल्प किया है, तो इसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, लेकिन हमको यही मतलब ही इज़ वेरी मच सैड दैट मतलब हिज नेम इज़ अशफक, द पेशेंट्स नेम इज़ अशफक. सो ही मतलब ही इज़ नो मोर, ही गॉट एक्सपायर्ड because the platelets have gone down in spite of any मतलब these many attempts to give blood. So it is a very sad news. So and he is very much sad. He is sad about this thing that if at all the doctors know and myself know that he is going to die, तो उनका फादर का कंसर्न ये था कि आप लोग को पहले से पता है तो एटलीस्ट मेरे बच्चा को हमको घर लेने जाते हैं तो हम एटलीस्ट उसको कुछ खिला देते, ये सब कुछ कर देते हैं. या एज अ फादर इज कंसर्न इज मतलब राइट. तो बट वी couldn't do because we have to fight until मतलब we have to fight until the last breath, both the patient and the doctor. तो ये स्टोरी हम आप लोग को समझाया था, तो इससे कुछ कुछ लोग कुछ कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स ढूंढ सकते हैं. ठीक है, क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है, और हम मेरे से क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं. सर आप क्या आपका बोन ट्रांसप्लांट टीम नहीं है एम्स में? ठीक है, नहीं है। और उसके बाद क्या बोलते हैं, कितना टाइम लगता है बोन ट्रांसप्लांट करने में, कहाँ से मिलेगा, कितना सारा सेंटर्स है इंडिया में, कितना बच्चा ऐसा है जो लोग मर जाते हैं इस प्रॉब्लम से। तो you can ask so many questions to me, and you can ask yourself and find the answers on the internet. So then you will have your story ready. So, but after writing all these things, how you are going to write your problems in a systematic way? Because you can't tell that I'm going to save all the aplastic anemia babies to live. I'm going to give I'm going to solve the problem of a bone marrow replacement. Every child is going to get the bone marrow replacement on hand within 5 minutes of the diagnosis to the patient. No, you can't write like that, because after, when you're going forward in your innovation journey, it will be very difficult to categorize the problem statements. So there is a way, there is a system. This I took from Stanford Biodesign only. So there is a format where you can actually systematically write your problems, that you identified from your story, from your observations. So that is actually a way to problem, the problem that you are going to solve. Like here, the problem is lack of bone marrow replacement, bone marrow transplant. So a way to bone marrow transplant distribution, or a way to improvise bone marrow transplant distribution in population. Who is the population here? In aplastic anemia children, or in pediatric in children. मान लो, you can write your children, the target population you are targeting, and the outcome that you are thinking. Outcome is I will be very much objective here. Outcome is a way to improvise the bone marrow distribution to pediatric population, to increase the to decrease the death rate to 50%. मतलब हम लोग कुछ ऐसा बनाएंगे ताकि ये बोन मैरो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इम्प्रूव होगा पीडियाट्रिक पॉपुलेशन में, तो फाइनली 50% ऑफ बच्चा जो मर रहा है प्लास्टिक एनीमिया से, वो लोग एटलीस्ट बच जाएंगे। हम 100% भी रख सकते हैं, लेकिन पहला मेरा गोल है कि एटलीस्ट 50% जो हम सॉल्यूशन लेके आएंगे, इधर इट कैन बी अ प्रोडक्ट, और इट कैन बी अ स्टेम सेल रिप्लेसमेंट इन न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, और आई कैन मेक एन एप्लीकेशन आउट ऑफ इट, जिसमें डेटाबेस हो सकता है। तो there is another technology that I can make anything, but it is going to solve this problem in this population, so that 50% of children will be saved. How is that sound? How that sound? Is that sounding systematic apart from the previous statement, Swaraj?
Yes, it's systematic.
Okay.
More specific.
Okay.
More specific.
Yeah.
Right.
And in outcome, always you should write a numerical. Your goal should be very solid. How much? When you actually get the solution out of your to the market, so it should match with your outcome. The outcome that you promised yourself. हम तो 50% जो भी बच्चा है उन लोगों को हम बचाएंगे। तो ये चीज, ये 5 साल के बाद जो भी प्रोडक्ट बाहर आएगा, तो उस समय ये पॉइंट जस्टिफाई हो, इसीलिए यहाँ होता है कि राइटिंग इन न्यूज़, you can't write I'm going to improvise the bone marrow replacement in all pediatric population so that nobody will die, nobody will ever die. This is not going to happen. This is actually the rocket need, the sky touching need. You can't write a need like that. You have to be very practical. So this is the format, and more elaborately you can find it in my sketchbook, my text sketchbook. So that actually Swaraj actually shared in the comment. I'm going forward, okay? Yeah.